production. Just let it rain.
Face to the clouds, Newport smoke in the wind, sipping on sick and gin to fight this battle within. Really don't wanna be bothered. Right now I'm feeling like Marshall. If I had wings I would fly to get away from the problems. But reality's real and life ain't a game. Karma still is a bitch, some things would never change. Gotta roll with the punches and play the hand you was dealt. Put your trust in the Lord, sometimes I don't trust myself. Forget it, throw in the towel, cause I can't do it no more. I'm sitting here missing dad, tell me why you had to go. Life ain't fair, I got cheated, start over, this ain't right. Wake me up from the dream, now this can't be life. Hey, I'm so confused, I'm so tired, sometimes I don't know what to do. Take away the sun and the blue skies, let the gray clouds come on through. Can walk a mile in my shoes, even Obama can't do it. And you don't know how I feel because you never been through it. Don't have the slightest idea, even Blue don't have a clue. Sometimes I wanna give up, but then I think about my two. While embracing my pain, no longer holding the tears. With this built up anger from my childhood years. My mom did a good job, no doubt, she did well. But somehow I got off track, slipped up, fell.